Hello friends, myself Jignesh Patel, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabh Buddhi Polytechnic, Navsari. Today I will learn about gear measurement, why gear measurement are necessary. Gear is playing very important role in the field of engineering. Gear drive is having the highest efficiency for this transmission compared to other drive such as belt drive, rope drive and chain drive. These drives are for widely used for power and motion transmission. For better efficiency of gear drive, its different measurement and tooth profile are very important. So we will study of gear tooth thickness measure in this topic. Method of measurement of gear tooth thickness. As we know, gear tooth thickness is an arc distance and hence its direct measurement is not possible. It is generally measured on pitch circle and that is why also called as pitch line thickness. Following two methods are in use for measuring gear tooth thickness. First, caudal thickness method and second, constant chord thickness method. We will study about caudal thickness method. Caudal thickness method. Tooth thickness is not same from its top to its base circle. Therefore, its thickness is checked on its pitch point. Tooth thickness at its pitch point is called caudal thickness. This is the distance between both the flank of a tooth on pitch point is called caudal thickness. As so in figure, from figure, point A is one flank pitch circle and point B another flank at pitch circle. The arc distance A to B is called caudal thickness. For measuring caudal thickness, gear tooth vernier caliper is used as so in figure. Gear tooth vernier caliper. Main component of gear tooth vernier caliper. Two vernier scale available in gear tooth vernier scale. First, vertical vernier scale and second, horizontal vernier scale. Both the vernier scale are attached to perpendicular each other. Fixed jaw is attached to vertical vernier scale and movable jaw is attached to the horizontal vernier scale. Both the scale are available in locking screw and fine adjustment screw. Now, auxiliary slide is also attached to the vertical vernier scale. Gear tooth vernier caliper is least count is 0.02 mm. How to measure caudal thickness method by gear tooth vernier calipers? Some procedure to here. Procedure to check thickness by caudal thickness method. Step 1. Take spur gear and gear tooth vernier caliper. Step 2. From module M and number of teeth N, calculate tooth depth D from the following formula. D is equal to Nm by 2 1 plus 2 by N minus cos 90 by N, equation 1, where D is a tooth depth, N is equal to number of teeth in gear, M is equal to module of gear. Step number 3. But there is no value of blank diameter. Blank diameter to measure vernier scale. Blank diameter is equal to piece circle diameter plus 2 into addendum. But module M is equal to piece circle diameter divided by number of teeth. So piece circle diameter is equal to M into N and addendum is equal to 1 module. So blank diameter is equal to M into N plus 2 into M. M common, N plus 2. So module M is equal to blank diameter divided by N plus 2, equation 2. Substituting the value of equation 2 in equation 1 and find out tooth depth D in value. Step number 4. Now setting D gear tooth vernier calipers is adjusted on gear tooth in vertical scale as so in figure. This will auxiliary slide to touch on top of the tooth in such a manner the movable jaw of the horizontal scale is touched to the pitch circle. Thus, horizontal scale will available provide the caudal thickness W of the tooth. From tooth thickness can be measured in horizontal scale from equation number 3. Now step number 5. Finding theoretical value of tooth thickness W from the following equation. W is equal to N into M sin 90 by N. Equation number 4. Step number 6. Error can be found out by the following formula. Equation 3 subtract equation 4 means actual measurement of tooth thickness and theoretical measurement of tooth thickness is subtract is called error. This type measurement of tooth thickness by caudal thickness method in gear tooth vernier calipers. Some limitation of caudal thickness method is since this method is dependent on number of teeth. Even though module is same, separate calculation is required for different gear having different number of teeth. This type measurement of caudal thickness method by gear tooth vernier calipers. Some limitation is also caudal thickness method is here. So this type working of gear tooth vernier calipers in measure tooth thickness by caudal thickness method. Thank you.